So namaste everyone. So today we are here with Dr. Neeti Krishna Raizada, Principal Director of Medical and Hemato-Oncology, Fortis Hospitals, Bengaluru. She's one of the leading cancer specialists. We have a lot of unknown things about cancer which youngsters don't really know about, and today we'll be discussing about that. To start with, so are there any early warning signs we all should be watching out for?
When we talk about young adults, if you have any swelling any part of the body, whether it's neck, in the underarm or the inguinal area, even a testicular swelling, irregular periods which happen in young women, it could be any painless mass which is persisting beyond 3 weeks, any bruising, unexplained fever, unexplained weight loss or even significant weight gain in a very short time. Cough, chest pain which is persisting beyond 3 weeks. All these are important signs which you should not miss and go to a doctor.
Since most of the youngsters are into fitness now, so can you please tell us how important is fitness in cancer prevention?
So when we talk about fitness, that's the only thing which we can actually modify. Starting from a fit individual will have much better immunity. Exercise acts as an immunity booster by enhancing cells which prevent cancer, like natural killer cell, T cells. It actually improves your hormonal regulation. So insulin is regulated, your estrogen, progesterone is regulated, and these help in preventing cancer. Besides this, then there's an oxidative stress which comes down. Gut health is improved. These are some important factors, and cancer is actually a spectrum of chronic inflammation. And when you have good fitness and exercise at a regular interval, the pro-inflammatory cells come down. And so factors like interleukins and TNF come down, which prevent cancer as well.
And also, can leading a super fit lifestyle completely protect you from cancer? Can you please tell us?
So, well, when we talk about fitness, well, this is one of the most important modifiable factor. But this is not the only factor. So the answer is, for a very super fit individual, there'll be no cancer. The answer is no, because cancer is multifactorial. The other important factors which we have to consider are genetic factors, which play a substantial role besides environmental factor, addictions, and of course age. These also have important role. Also, we have to understand that, well, whatever the fitness level is, the key thing is to have a person being screened at a regular interval. There are age-specific screening, and every individual should have age-specific screening, and also preventive vaccines or preventive health, what is spoken about. When we do screening, we not just diagnose cancer early, but we also prevent cancer, because we can diagnose pre-cancerous states as well.
So now we all know what exactly has to be done. Leading a super fit lifestyle or being fit doesn't mean that you won't get cancer. So always make sure you get your regular checkups done. Fitness and awareness go hand in hand. Huge thanks to Dr. Neeti. Follow her. Stay informed, stay fit.